Hello everyone and welcome back to The Perfect French with Dylan. Today we're gonna learn the verb devoir. Devoir. To have to. We are going to see this verb present tense and I'm going to give you some tips and tricks to remember everything about it. This week on Wednesday we're gonna learn 20 words with GN because the pronunciation is a bit tricky. And then on Thursday we're gonna see 10 spelling mistakes that you can easily avoid. So don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of the future videos. The PDF for this video is gonna be on my website, theperfectfrench.com. However, I recommend you to grab the ebook 500 Most Common French Verbs, how to conjugate them, how to use them, because in this book you have it all. They're both on my website. The link for this one and all the videos I'm going to talk about in this video are all going to be in the description box. So first, the pronoun subject. We're going to review them very quickly. I have a video about that. It's gonna be in the description box if you want to know more about it. But right now we're just reviewing very quickly. We have je, tu, il, elle, on. So it's more a nasal sound. On, nous, vous, il, elle. And then we're gonna jump right away into the conjugation. Usually when I do a conjugation video, I have subject, radical, terminaison. I will say radical, terminaison. Not for this one because it's an irregular verb, so there is not really anything that stays beside the D at the beginning. But that does not really help. So I'm going to go right away into the conjugation of the whole word, and we're not going to see any radical for this one. So we have je dois, dois. Tu dois, dois. Il doit, doit. Elle doit, elle doit. On doit, on doit. Then it changed quite a lot. Nous devons, devons. Vous devez, vous devez. So those two are the closest stay from the verb without any conjugation, from the infinitive verb, because the DEV stay. And then it changed again. Ils doivent, elles doivent, elles doivent. So let's review one more time. Je dois, tu dois, il doit, elle doit, on doit, nous devons, vous devez, ils doivent, elles doivent. As you can see, the 5 first ones, so je, tu, il, elle, on, have the exact same pronunciation. The only thing that changed is the ending, and as you know, in French we usually do not pronounce the last letter of the word, so there is no exception in this one, so they are all pronounced the same way. Doit. This is important for the tips and tricks at the end. Let's see 5 sentences and then I'm going to give you my tips. Numéro 1. Je dois aller travailler demain. Je dois aller travailler demain. So this one can seem a bit weird because we have 3 verbs following each other. So we have je dois, I have to, aller, to go, to work, travailler, demain. So I said that in previous videos, I'm gonna say it again, when you have 2 or 3 verbs following each other, usually the only first one is conjugated. The second one, the third one do not have any conjugation. Unless it's passé composé or any kind of tense with 2 verbs, then it doesn't work, but it works for this case. Second sentence. Nous devons partir tôt demain matin. Nous devons partir tôt demain matin. So once again, partir does not have any conjugation. Numéro 3. Est-ce que tu dois toujours prendre ce médicament? Est-ce que tu dois toujours prendre ce médicament? Numéro 4. Elles doivent téléphoner à leurs parents aussitôt que possible. Elles doivent téléphoner à leurs parents aussitôt que possible. So ici, as soon as possible. For us, it's aussitôt que possible. And the last one, on ne doit pas étudier pour le prochain examen. On ne doit pas étudier pour le prochain examen. Maybe it's true for you, because a lot of students right now are staying at home, considering everything that's happening. However, don't forget to study your French, because you can forget very, very quickly. Now my favorite part of every video I make, the tips and tricks. So you remember that I told you that the first 5 are going to do something with the first tips I'm going to give you. So the first 5 were je dois, tu dois, il doit, elle doit, on doit. They have the exact same pronunciation as doigt, finger. So when you say you have to do something, especially usually parents, it's not usually something that you do. You don't say to your colleague, you have to do that. It's not really like that. So usually your parents will do that. Tu dois faire ça. Tu dois, okay? So remember that it's exact same pronunciation as doigt, finger. Second tips and trick is to remember the verb infinitive. So devoir, to have to. In French, we also have un devoir. Un devoir. Un devoir has 2 different meanings. The first one is a homework. I guess it speaks by itself. You always have to do your homework. So, un devoir. The second one is a responsibility or an obligation. So you have to do something. So for the 2 tips and tricks, remember le doigt, because you have to do something, and then un devoir, which is a homework, and also an obligation. I hope you enjoy, I hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, it really helped me. You can leave me a comment if you have a question about anything, if you want me to make a video about a subject. I'm more than happy to take any suggestion. You can also connect with me on my Instagram, my Facebook page, and this YouTube channel. I try to answer every comment I get, and I'll see you soon for another lesson.